I'm Emily Banks, and here is my Periscope activity. First, I looked at the engineering design process. I asked how could I see above the crowd without standing on top of anything. Then I imagined a possible solution was to create a periscope. I then imagined what periscope looked like and the different types that could potentially be created. Then I used technology to plan and look up different examples of periscopes, and I finally found one I want to use based upon the resources I had accessible to me. And then I created my design using the technology and plan that I found. And then next time, if I were to do this again and how I could improve it, I think I would use a hot glue gun because the double-sided tape did not really work very well. So I ended up using masking tape and double-sided tape, but I think a hot glue gun would probably keep it together better. Also, the right angles were really hard to draw, so I had to redo those a few times. So next time I would definitely try to cut the angles better to hold the periscope up better. Here's a picture of my step one and how I planned out my design, looking up different things using technology. Step two, I measured the different lengths. I perforated them with scissors, cut on the sides so that I was able to make a tube, as shown on the left picture here. This is the tube that I ended up taping together. In the middle is the right angles that I attached to the tube with the mirrors with masking tape. And lastly, I painted it green. And my final product is on the right, and it works really well. I really enjoy using it. Step three, to improve next time, as I said, I wouldn't use masking tape or double-sided tape. I would just use hot glue because I feel like that would keep it better. Also, the mirrors were slightly too big, so I probably would next time use smaller mirrors. Connecting this to the reading, Vasquez et al. Defines technology as any modification of the natural world done to fulfill human needs or desires. And I feel like we asked ourselves, how can we see above the crowd? So this really helped to fix that problem. Connecting it to the STEM practices, science that connects to asking questions. It's how we started. We recognized the role of technology playing in the advancement of science. And we developed and used models and looked for and made use of structure. STEM is our future, and this is definitely an activity you could use in the future to solve a problem of not being able to see. And it also connects because STEM provides a challenge to students, teaches 21st century skills, integrates subjects, and provides relative examples. And I feel like this definitely is an activity that does that. Thank you.